Am I kind of parked in the way?
Yes, you are. We've got a scribe. All these porch posts right here, we're gonna scribe them in. So now that gives it a really clean look versus just a flat cut on the log. Some people just cut a flat right here. Just kind of flat on there and just set the log on top of it. We like this way because it's a little bit more work, but it just gives it a little bit more of a finished touch. Chisel first here, guys, is simply because it makes a clean line. So that line, it makes it easier to cut. It makes a nice, clean cut for this thing to sit on. If you don't chisel it first, what happens? It splinters back. It's not near as nice. What's happening here is this here line is now knifed. So this here has a